I just got done visiting the WETA Workshop Unleashed tour in Auckland, New Zealand. They actually have two different workshops. The one here in Auckland is more of a tourist type of an attraction that explains and shows how they make the different characters from the storyboard, how they mold the different things, and it's a really interesting. What's interesting about this tour is that it's really hands-on, so you get to actually experience some of the different techniques that are used, and you get to also have an opportunity to really dive into some of the different aspects of the WETA workshop and how they develop the different characters and the backgrounds, things of that nature. And so is the tour worth it? Absolutely. It costs about $40 New Zealand to go. Lasts about 2 hours, and it is very informative. And so definitely, if you're in Auckland, New Zealand, this is a place for you to go ahead and check out. So thanks for tuning in. May all your seas be calm. Take care. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. If you could help me out by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video, that would be fantastic. And oh, by the way, if you click that little bell thing, every time I upload a new Footloose adventure, you'll get notified. Thank you.